Welcome to INSERV, your trusted environmental partner in the heart of the Midwest. With our strategically located facilities in Mishawaka and Gary, Indiana, we're proud to serve clients across Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, and Oklahoma. We have been providing trusted environmental and industrial cleaning services for over 20 years, maintaining a reputation with our customers for safe, reliable, and responsive service. When it comes to industrial and environmental cleaning, INSERV has all the tools and expertise needed. From cleaning oil-stained shop floors to decontaminating heavy equipment, we use high-pressure washers capable of producing up to 7,000 psi of water pressure, generating heat or steam if necessary. And as a turnkey contractor, we're able to see all of our projects through from cleaning to transportation to final disposal or recycling. Our services extend to sump and pit cleaning, above ground and underground tank cleanings, as well as oil water separators, gas station sumps, and much more. Safety is paramount at INSERV. Our highly trained 40-hour HAZWOPER certified team is equipped for confined space entry and rescue. We have the latest gear to safely enter and clean any vessel, tank, or pit. We take pride in ensuring our team goes home unharmed. All INSERV employees have stop work authority and follow stringent safety protocols and procedures. When tanks can't be entered for cleaning, INSERV has the Gamma Jet, a specialized cleaning unit for horizontal and vertical tanks up to 30 to 40 feet in diameter. We're also licensed to haul, dispose, and trade fuel commodities, including gas, diesel, and oils. In the world of industrial services, vacuum trucks are essential, and at INSERV, we have a fleet ready for any situation. From 3,000-gallon wet vac trucks to 6,200-gallon vac tankers, we've got you covered. Our equipment includes vane pumps, tri-load blowers, and specialty trucks like hydrovacs, air movers, and sewer combination trucks. Plus, we have a trailer-mounted vac unit for those tight spots. Contaminated soil? No problem. We specialize in handling and transporting it safely, adhering to all regulatory standards. With decades of experience, our team knows the ins and outs of soil excavation. We ensure precision and safety in every step of the process. Our trucks are equipped to transport contaminated soil securely to approved disposal facilities, and our team of compliance specialists are here to wrap the project up with final waste tracking and waste ticket management. Whether it's a routine pump out or a complex project, give us a call. With our equipment, knowledge, and experience, we can take care of your needs promptly, safely, and economically. To schedule your next project, call us today or visit us on our website to learn more about locations and services.